We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this important announcement. Please stay tuned for more information and stay calm. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this important announcement. Please stay tuned for more information and stay calm. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this important announcement. Please stay tuned for more information and stay calm. This is a message from your national government. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received. The threat level is critical, meaning an attack is imminent. All citizens are to remain in their homes. Evacuations are taking place in the New York, Los Angeles, Houston, and Washington, D.C. areas. For anyone in these areas, police will guide you to safety. Follow their orders with no questions asked, and bring your own supplies, as little is provided for you in the nearest fallout bunker. All telephone lines and highways have been closed off for military use. You should start preparing for the strike. You should have at least 14 days worth of food, water, medicine, and clothing. Ensure you have a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio so that you can listen to all the latest information and the all-clear signal. Nuclear strikes can generate fallout, a radioactive substance that can travel hundreds of miles, which will affect everyone in the country, including those that live in rural areas. Fallout is a lethal dust. You cannot see or feel it, but it is there. Once inhaled, fallout can cause radiation sickness, followed by death. You are advised to build an inner refuge in the lowest and most central part of your home, preferably a basement, as far away from windows and doors as possible. Make sure to use non-flammable materials like tables, chairs, and use bags or cases of sand to bulk out your shelter. You and your family should remain in your shelter for the entirety of the 14-day sheltering period. You will remain at home and you will be unable to leave your shelter unless told by officials. Doing so will expose you to the radioactive chemicals. Collect water now. Water services will be disconnected shortly to prevent fallout contamination. If you do not collect water now, it will be rendered unavailable to you for the sheltering period. Collect around 4 pints of water per person per day. Bottled water is also recommended. Nuclear strikes can generate extreme heat, extreme light, and a shock wave blast. If you are in a major city, you are likely a target. Police will help you with evacuation as the nuclear missiles are able to destroy anything in their path within a 5-mile radius. If the police are unable to get to your area, a siren will sound to indicate that you are, or may be in a blast zone, and that you should also evacuate to safety. If you live in a rural area, or if you do not hear a siren, you should not evacuate since you are well outside of the blast zone. You should instead take the remaining time to gather supplies, family members, and to continue building your shelter. We can now confirm that the missiles will hit the following: Seattle, Los Angeles, Denver, Dallas, Houston, St. Louis, Chicago, Washington, D.C., New York City, Boston, Miami, and Anchorage. If you live within a 20-mile radius of the listed cities, evacuate now. Failure to do so will yield a 90 to 100% chance of death. NATO is currently in discussion with other allying countries to discuss what action should be taken against Russia and China. The United Kingdom and France are preparing to deflect the incoming strikes. After all the missiles have hit their designated areas or deflected, the President of the United States, who is being transported to an undisclosed location, will deliver a speech over the emergency alert system.